Hello everybody, my name is Jeff and welcome to my wood carving channel. This is a brand new channel and I'll be doing wood carving along with some clay sculpting, and hopefully you can learn something off of my channel, and I'll take you along and show you how to do some projects and give you an idea of some of the things that I've done. Here's a little guy here that I just finished up. I worked on him for quite a while, and here's a little owl that I made. I just put him on a cedar base, and that's a piece of driftwood there. So now if we can get a little better look at him. There you go. This didn't cost me hardly anything to do. And then I do very small, simple things like little lizards and that sort of stuff. So I'll be doing some videos, carving some small, simple things, and you guys will be able to follow along and maybe do some things yourself. Here's a little face that I carved. It's not done, but it's fun, it's relaxing, and anybody can do it. And can't never did and won't never will. So if you say, well, I don't have no talent, I don't have any talent, well, you don't know unless you try. So everybody's got talent, and you don't have to be the world's greatest wood carver at all. I mean, anybody can take a knife and whittle away a piece of wood, and this is just one of the wood carving knives that I use. I have a whole set of wood carving knives. And basically the chisels that I use are palm chisels. That's what they're called. They're held in the palm of your hand. And I do all kinds of small projects, and I do larger projects and more complicated projects. And it's a lot of fun, especially if you're retired and want something to do. Take up wood carving. And what I do is caricature wood carving. I don't carve real faces, that sort of thing, but I have carved faces that are kind of realistic, but I can show you a bunch of those later. And I'll do a video maybe after this of a lot of the things that I've carved, and I'll show you the first thing that I had carved, and it really wasn't that hard to do. Not as hard as I thought. And I used to carve back in 1972 for a short period of time, and I quit. Just had a family and no time for it, and nobody to show me how to do any of that. But I got a lot of information off from YouTube now, and a lot of teachers giving free information on YouTube. And give you an idea here, there's a little guy I'm working on. This is partly finished. It is not finished at all. It's a Grim Reaper. And this is done with Sculpey modeling clay. And when you get done, you bake it, and it gets hard. It's very inexpensive to use. And here's another little guy I did with Sculpey clay. This is the first guy I done. This is the Plague Doctor. So anyway, follow along, and I hope you learned something, and I hope I can give you something of value. And my name is Jeff, and I'll see you on the next video. And it's almost done. Oops. Now he's done. He's got his sickle. And I am done. Grim Reaper is finished.